How to fix WhatsApp voice call problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix WhatsApp voice call problem, you could start by checking your internet connections and app permissions as well. First of all, just go to settings on your device and check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. So here is basically what you could do: switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. That can also definitely help you out. Next, you could just launch open apps on your device and simply want to go to WhatsApp and go to permissions at the page. Here, you just want to make sure to toggle on all these permissions and go to storage and cache as well, so that you might want to make sure to go ahead and delete all this cache and data as well. As you've done this, you also want to make sure to go ahead and what you want to do is simply close this app. Just go to your app store and make sure that you've updated your app to the latest version as well. Sometimes it could be due to an outdated version, so you just want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. So this way you could also go and fix WhatsApp voice call problem. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.